I'm back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I got this fan I built, monster fan. What I'm gonna do is I want to try to fix it. So I ordered a brand new motor because the thing is rattling like crazy. I'm trying to turn it on. See all that? It's not a good sound. Runs pretty powerful. Cage pops right off. Nice grill. 3 blades. It's got like 3 blades with a nice diameter circle. So here we go. That's Rilo. But it's very powerful. I tore down that one. If I can get my screwdriver light, I should see. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my... Ugh. Three blades, you can see. Here we go. Pretty powerful little fan. I can feel the wind from way over here. I'm a little ways back and I can still feel it. It's just as powerful as Berg Storm fan, but more powerful. It's got just as powerful as those, but not quite. But these are more. These are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm ordering a new motor because of that rattling. That's what I've been trying to tell you. The new motor is gonna run nice. I'll show you a video of that and post it all over YouTube. So, thanks to me, I'm doing a good job, taking good care, but I have to oil it every time. Normally, whenever I get new motors, you don't have to. But I'd recommend oiling it because it might squeal one day. That's what happened to this one, and I had restored it. So all it takes is 3 drops, but this one takes 1 drop. So 1 drop in oil, it's lubed. It's lubricated. Runs great. The grill's right there. It's a It's a diameter grill. Alright. It's a good fan. Try it. See how you like it. Alright. Peace out, YouTube. See you later, bud. But, David and I'm normal. Check me out. Like. But I'm about to shut it down. Like, subscribe, and find out about more. Pop the cage back on. then that's it. I really gotta kind of fight it. Hang on, YouTube. Alright, that's it. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Give me some likes or whatever. Well, peace.